kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Raining clouds all over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it hurt?